Good morning and welcome to our Primary 6 Assembly. The theme of our assembly this year is going to be anti-bullying. We hope you enjoy it.
On the 15th to the 19th of November is Anti-Bullying Week.
Anti-Bullying Week is a way of raising awareness about bullying. During this week, we will learn how to deal with bullying.
Anti-Bullying Week has a different theme each year. This year's theme is One Kind Word.
Kindness is more important today than it has ever been. The isolation over the past year has highlighted how little acts of kindness can brighten the lives of people around us. This is one of the reasons that One Kind Word has been chosen as the theme of Anti-Bullying Week.
What is bullying?
Bullying is hurting someone else on purpose. Bullying happens repeatedly over and over again.
There are lots of types of bullying. Let's watch a few clips of bullying scenarios to help us understand how bullying can happen in different ways.
How do you raise your accelerated reading target? What a teacher's pet. Ow, that hurt. You think that hurt? Well, try this. As you can see, Finn is being bullied physically.
Don't be a bully! Rion, you're not invited to my party because you're a loser. No one wants you there and we're going to have loads of fun.
Carter is verbally bullying Rion.
Hey, can I please play? No. You can't even catch a ball. Why would you want to play?
Yeah.
Guys, that wasn't very nice. We should include everyone in our games.
Yeah.
Come on. That's it.
Come on, Dara. We're sorry.
Sorry, Dara.
Social bullying includes spreading rumours about someone, leaving someone out on purpose, telling someone not to be friends with someone, or someone embarrassing someone in public.
Don't be a bully!
Hey guys, I've just logged on to the game.
No one invited you into the game, Lucy.
Sorry, someone at school said we were all playing tonight.
You're a nerd that only likes to get your homework done. Go get it done.
Not true.
I'm blocking you from the game. Get lost.
Don't be a bully!
In our school, we do not tolerate bullying. Now we have Connor, Harley, Leah telling us what to do if we hear or see bullying. People who are being bullied can feel lots of different emotions. Scared, helpless, afraid, sad, hurt. No one should ever feel this way because of someone else's actions.
If you're being bullied, tell someone that you trust, a parent, teacher, or an older relative. They'll make sure that it's dealt with properly.
If you know someone who is being bullied, you must tell someone that you trust. They'll be able to help. Be kind to that person. They might be feeling alone, sad and scared. Smile and talk to them or include them in something. It will make a big difference.
In religion, we have been learning about God's family. We are all brothers and sisters of God's family.
God asks us to love our neighbours as ourselves and to treat others the way we want to be treated.
There is no room in our Christian faith to belittle or abuse anyone. Everyone, regardless of what they look like or act like, is created in the image of God and is worthy of the dignity God gives to every person.
Our school prayer, Mother of the Perpetual Succor, is said in our assembly each week. It is a very powerful prayer with a brilliant message for us all inside.
Towards the end of prayer, it reads, "Make us kind and gentle to others." Are you being kind and gentle to others every day?
I invite you now in prayer in the name of the Father and of the Son and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Mother of Perpetual Succor, I kneel before your picture. You are my mother, pure and holy. I am your child. I am not worthy to be called your child. Ask Jesus, your mother, to make me like you, pure and holy. Keep me from all sins and protect me from all dangerous sins. And please say my morning and night prayer as well. To hear Holy Mass well, and to pray well in times of temptation. Make me honest and truthful. Help me to be obedient at home and at school. Make me kind and gentle to others. Mother of Perpetual serve them always.
There's Rick. He's such a good guy.
Yeah, he's a great friend to everyone in our class.
He's always looking out for people. What a cool kind of lad.
Hey guys, I just want to tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. I'm never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.
Thanks, Rick. We won't let you down either.
Lots of schools will be taking part in Odd Socks at 15th of November for Anti-Bullying Week.
Wearing odd socks encourages people to express themselves and their individuality. That's what makes us all unique.
There is no pressure to wear the latest fashion or to buy expensive costumes. All you have to do is take part as wear odd socks to your school, at home or at work. It couldn't be simpler.
Strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. A book of living's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never let you down. Never run around and desert you. Never make you cry. Never say goodbye. Never tell a lie. Hurt you. We've known each other for so long. Your heart's been aching for. You're too shy to say it. Inside we both know what's been going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it. And if you ask me how I'm feeling, gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. Never give you up. Never let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. We've known each other for so long. Your heart's been aching, but you're too shy to say it. Inside we both know what's been going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it. And if you ask me how I'm feeling, never make you understand. Never give you up. Never let you down. Never run around and desert you. Never make you cry. Never say goodbye. Never tell a lie and hurt you. Never give you up. Never let you down. Never run around and desert you. Never make you cry. Never say goodbye. Never tell a lie and hurt you. Give you up. Never let you down. Never run around and desert you. Never make you cry. Never say goodbye. Never tell a lie and hurt you.
Thank you for watching our assembly today. Remember, bullying is not tolerated anywhere in our world, and especially not in our school. Don't be a bully. Be a friend to everyone.
Please challenge you to carry out one random act of kindness today.